Just got to Scottborough Caravan Park. I was going to stop at Carradine first and stay there for the evening, but some companies got their team building going there and it's pretty noisy and the campsite's actually quite busy. So I just decided, no, I'll come through to Scottborough. I'm meant to be here from tomorrow onwards anyway. So came through today. So I'm in Scottborough, right by the sea, my favourite spot. The sea is pretty rough. There's a bit of a wind blowing, but it's actually nice and cool. And the usual thing, load shedding. So I've still got another hour and a half to go with load shedding. It's time for lunch now, so I'll make something for lunch and chat later. Friday morning, and what a stunning day it turned out to be. After this morning having quite a bit of cloud, sun is out, nice breeze blowing, but it's nice and hot. Beautiful day. Russell and Cindy has arrived and it stopped raining, so actually quite nice the weather now, quite pleasant. Russell and Cindy inside, they're making coffee now. Morning.
Morning. Would you like a cup of coffee?
No, thank you. We decided to have a braai, not knowing what the weather is going to do. Looks like rain out there over the sea, but we're still going to see if we can have a braai. We've just moved the braai behind the van because the wind's blowing a bit. Fire's ready. The awning has gone back up because of the rain. The braai is coming inside.
More level there.
Ja. Ons gaan nou braai.
Nie ons gaan nou braai nie, ons braai al klaar. Bright sunny day. Awning is out and I'm sure getting ready for breakfast. Teddy, you're going to become famous on YouTube. Yes. We've been to the canteen for some slop chips for a snack, and I was on this site over here. That's site 19, that's where I always go, but I've just moved now. Cindy and Russell has just gone home and I've taken over the site from them, so I'm going to try this out, having the deck right in front of me, and just see what this site is like. All Monday morning. What a beautiful sky. Sure, it's going to be another beautiful day here at Scotty's today. dolphins just came past, but they weren't very playful this morning. They must probably want to feed first, or they're waiting for the sun to come up properly. No idea why they were so. Just a gentle pass, and they've disappeared there in the distance. Good morning, Scottsboro. What a beautiful morning. The weather prediction was thunderstorms and rain all day today. Been here so many times, but I haven't really taken any video of the coffee shop on the inside. So let's see what it looks like. Morning, ladies.
Morning. Morning, how are you?
Fine, and you?
Good.
Sam and the team. Good morning, everybody.
Morning.
Enjoy the day. Freshly baked cakes, scones, and pancakes. Nice selections of homemade jams here. Fridges with water, cold drinks, wood, and a couple of things on the shelves. The shelves are not got that much stuff on it because it's low season and there's not that many people around. Ice creams, some more ice creams. Wherever you sit and have breakfast or tea or lunch, you overlook the ocean. Right on the side of the restaurant is a little kiddies play area, and then jungle gym slide, trampolines, bench with a table, seesaw, swings, and all of this overlooks the ocean. Pool tables, table tennis, 4 dartboards, and a TV. Lots of chairs, and some tables in the corner. Now the wind starts blowing as soon as I want to do my go home video. Yeah, time to go home again. A couple of nice days here, had some rain, had some stunning weather, and it's time to hit the road and go home, but we'll be back soon. Enjoy. Cheers. Stunning weather, but load shedding is starting at 9 o'clock, so I've just decided to leave then, and also then the traffic hopefully have died down by Mams and Toti's side, so I'll be leaving soon. I'm back home. No traffic, just the wind was blowing a little bit some spots, so it was throwing me around, being so high and heavy. But anyway, I'm here, all safe, all good. Now just unpacking, and then it's lunchtime. See you next time. Cheers.